Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a custom skybox in Unity, so let's get right into it. So I've got two textures for my skybox that I want to use. These are taken from Mario 64. These are the import settings I have, so my texture type is default, texture shape is 2D, my wrap mode is repeat, filter mode is bilinear. Obviously you can change settings to get the visual effect you want, but this is what I got. Now in our assets folder, we're going to right click, go to create, and go to material. And we're going to call this custom skybox. Our custom skybox is going to be a material. Then you need to click on your material and go to the shader. And instead of standard, we're going to type sky, and we've got a bunch of skyboxes. We're going to go for a 6-sided skybox, but there are other options you can experiment with. Once you click on the 6-sided, you've got some settings you can mess about with. And what we're going to do is, we're going to drag and drop our images into these little texture boxes here. And as you can see, the preview down here, it will kind of reflect what the skybox will look like. So I've currently got like a nice bit of sky. And just to demonstrate, not to make it look good, I'm going to use a different texture for the top and the bottom. So as you can see, we got a skybox here. Now we need to put this skybox into our game. So save your work, and then go to Window, then go to Rendering, and then go to Lighting. So depending on your version of Unity, this might look a little different. However, in 2022, we can go to Environment, and there'll be a field for skybox material. This will also exist in other versions of Unity, it just will be located somewhere else in this lighting menu that we're in. And what we can do is we can click on the little circle here, and we can pick a material. I'm going to pick the custom skybox, and as you can see, it's there. So we can close the lighting, we can look about, we have a skybox that's custom. And go to your main camera, and to make sure you can see it in the game view, make sure Clear Flags has skybox. If we click on solid color, we're not going to see it, but if we click on skybox, we're going to see it in our game view. So that is how you add a very simple custom skybox into your Unity game. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and subscribe for more.